Hey YouTube, I'm having a little bit of a drone problem here. I was thinking maybe somebody would have a suggestion. Had a little bump into a bush just a few feet up in a fall. Everything still seems operational, but the problem with the gimbal is that it is now just making a constant noise that sounds like a servo. Sounds like a servo, but also kind of sounds like a little vacuum. Yeah. So if I take this little repair spudger that I have, and I push here, it stops. But then when I re-level it, but only when it's sitting perfectly flat does it seem to be the most egregious. I did notice that there's a connection point down on this side that looks different than the one does in here. And when I move the gimbal dynamically left and right gently, not only does it stop again, but it also, it's very hard to show here, but the like rubber gasket connection points on either side of the gimbal here, when I move this slightly left and right, but look down inside there, the connection points motion looks different on either side. It looks as if the rubber reacts differently here than it does here. So again, that's what the connection point looks like. And here, it looks distinctly different. So, I don't know if something has come loose, but see, you don't hear it until I set it flat. But in any way, if I touch, just gently put pressure on the gimbal, just ever so slightly, on the side, no problem. On the back, no problem. And I also get this error here that says